Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the new Style Showdown set in Dress to Impress. So if you want to get the new Style Showdown set in DTI, this guide will show you step by step on how you can unlock the new set and flex your looks in the game. So, Style Showdown is a game mode in DTI. And if you want to enter it, you can just find the Style Showdown game mode under the server and find it. So you can access by clicking the Style Showdown button on the right side of your screen. So when you select the Style Showdown, you'll be put into this lobby in here, and to play you must walk forward and wait inside the highlighted area, this one's right here, and just wait until the other players join. And here the game mode will start. So once you enter the Style Showdown, Lana will tell you exactly what Style Showdown is, and after that she will tell you the theme. So once the round starts, you have 180 seconds or 3 minutes to put together an outfit based on the theme that Lana gives you. So the dressing room in here is smaller than the dressing room in the regular server, so you only have small selections of clothing and accessories to choose from. So now the theme is social media mom, so I'm going to just put the makeup first, and then after that the hair. So at the end of a round, everyone has 30 seconds to vote for their 3 favorite outfits, with the exceptions of the last round where you only vote for one. And here before voting, you'll be asked to walk down the fashion show like this, and you can see the other players' outfit, and the players with the least amount of votes will be at risk of eliminations. And with Lana deciding who to eliminate from the game, if double elimination challenge is active, 2 players will be eliminated. So you can hear I'm still voting. And if you survive the rounds, you'll earn style stars based on your score, and the more style stars you have, the higher the likelihood of winning if you reach the final round. And here I am in the final round, or the grand finale. So if Lana will bring the 3 contestants out onto the stage based on the style stars. So the players will each have 10 seconds to plead their case for why they deserve to win. And after that, the eliminated players vote on who they think should win the Style Showdown. And the player with the most votes wins. And the rewards, the Style Showdown has an exclusive clothing set that you can use in DTI servers. So you must win to earn it. So the set is split into 3 parts and requires 3 wins to fully obtain. If you win in the first one, you can get the dress, 2 wins get the gloves, and the 3 wins headpiece. So that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.